Long hair's cool, but if you don't take care of it, you're asking for trouble. Think hair fall, dandruff, and dryness. No one wants that. Let's get your hair right before it's too late. I'll show you how to properly take care of your hair in 5 simple steps. Let's start. Step 1. Cleansing. Here, we're not just talking about cleaning the hair, but focusing on scalp cleaning. Due to pollution, dust, sweat, and dirt accumulate in our hair daily. That's why regular cleaning is very important. For this, you'll use shampoo, but first understand one thing. No matter which shampoo you use, its only job is to clean your hair and scalp. Don't expect that a shampoo will make your hair thick, shiny, or strong. It won't. Shampoo equals cleaning, nothing else. Now, how often should you shampoo per week? That depends on your lifestyle. If you don't go out much or have a desk job, shampoo 2 to 3 times a week is enough. If you're outdoors a lot, travel, work in dusty conditions, hit the gym, or play sports, then wash daily with a mild shampoo. Which shampoo to use? If I have an oily scalp, your hair feels greasy even without oiling or dandruff. Use shampoos with exfoliating ingredients like salicylic acid, glycolic acid, or tea tree oil. They remove excess oil and dirt effectively. If your scalp is normal, use any mild sulfate and paraben-free shampoo within your budget. Here are my recommendations. If you have dandruff, then pick Amy shampoo that contains ketoenazole. It will destroy the dandruff completely. Here's a correct shampooing method. Don't rub your hair roughly like animals. Massage gently with your fingertips for at least 1 to 2 minutes so the scalp gets properly cleaned. And no matter how cold it is, never wash your hair with hot water. Always use normal or cold water. Why? Ask ChatGPT. What happens when you pour hot water on your scalp? Step 2. Conditioning. You must have noticed that after shampooing, hair feels dry and rough. That's because shampoo removes natural moisture. So the second step is conditioning to restore moisture so hair feels soft, shiny, and healthy. Here's the correct way to apply conditioner. After shampoo, squeeze out excess water from your hair. Take a little conditioner according to your hair length. Apply only on the hair strands, not on scalp. But remember, don't fall for 2-in-1 shampoo plus conditioner gimmicks. Always use a separate conditioner. Step 3. Drying. Even drying hair needs attention. The biggest mistake people make is harshly rubbing wet hair with a towel. This causes breakage and weakens roots over time. Instead, gently pat and press hair dry with a towel. Best option, use a microfiber towel. You get it. It absorbs water better and prevents damage. I've given the link in description. If using a hairdryer, always use it on normal cool temperature. Never use hot air. Remember this. Never put hot water or hot air on your scalp. Step 4. Oiling. The purpose of oiling is to add moisture and a protective layer. Nowadays, many people also use hair serums. The function is almost the same: moisture, shine, and smoothness. When to oil? After you're showered and ready, apply only 2 to 3 drops of oil on your hair strands, not scalp. You must have heard since childhood apply oil on the scalp. That's wrong. The scalp is naturally oily. Our head has the highest number of oil glands in the body. It doesn't need extra oil. So apply oil only on the hair. But yeah, once a month, you can do a good massage and apply oil properly. But if you already have oily scalp or dandruff, avoid heavy oiling and never leave oil overnight. Just keep it for an hour and then wash. If you're using styling products, wax, gel, pomade, hairspray, you make sure they don't touch your scalp. And if you style in the morning, always wash your hair before sleeping. Never leave styling products overnight. These may sound like small habits, but trust me, they make a huge difference to your hair health. Step 5. Nutrition. Hair roots get their nutrition from food. If your diet is poor, no shampoo or oil will save your hair. Here are the nutrients that you need to make your hair healthy. Protein. Hair is 90% protein, and that protein is named as keratin. If you lack protein, fix that first. Add foods like eggs, cheese, chicken, lentils, chickpeas, soy chunks. Eat 3 eggs for breakfast daily. Healthy fats. Fats keep the scalp naturally moisturized and hair shiny. Best sources are nuts and seeds, almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, chia seeds, pumpkin seeds. Vitamins and minerals, especially vitamin A, C, E, zinc, and biotin. Here are the sources. For vitamin A, eat spinach, broccoli, carrots, and sweet potatoes. For vitamin C, eat oranges, amla, and lemon. Hydration and lifestyle. Drink 7 to 8 glasses of water daily. Hydration prevents dry scalp and dandruff. Sleep properly, reduce stress. Stress directly triggers hair fall. That's it. If you want more videos like this in future, then make sure to subscribe this channel and hit that bell icon, and also check out the link in description.